In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any Apex Legends crash. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps. And let's start. So the first step is to open Origin. Go to My Game Library. Right click on Apex. Go to Game Properties. And now what you want to do is just uncheck Enable Origin in-game for Apex Legends. So you want that to be unchecked. And now go to the Advanced Launch Options tab. Click on the command line arguments, and what you want to type is plus FPS max 75. And click on save. Okay. And now once you're done, you can close Origin. And now the second step is to click on the taskbar and open the task manager. Just make sure that you have Apex Legends on. So what you want to do is open Apex Legends. After that, open the task manager. Go to the processes tab and scroll down and find easy anti-cheat. And there it is. Okay. Now what you want to do is right click on easy anti-cheat service. Click on go to details. And now right click on easyanticheat.exe once again. Click on set priority and set it to low. Click on change priority. It says you want to change the priority of easyanticheat.exe. Click on change priority. And you can now close the task manager. The third step is to click on the search bar. Type services. And open services app. Okay, once you open it, what you want to do is find easy anti-cheat once again. There it is. Right click on it, go to the properties, go to the recovery tab, and set the first failure to restart the service, set the second failure to restart the service, and set the third one to restart the service. Sorry, this was a mistake. So what you want to do is set them all three to restart the service, and set the reset fail count after 0 days. So make sure that this is 0 in here, and restart service after 1 minute. So make sure that this is a 1. Once you do that, what you want to do is just click on apply, click on OK, and you can now close the services. The fourth step is to click on the search bar again and type graphics, settings, and open the graphics settings, system settings. Now what you want to do is click on the browse button, go to local disk C, go to program files or program files x86. I don't know where Origin Games is at, so it's not in here, so it should be in program files x86. Okay, so there it is. Open the Origin Games folder, open the Apex folder, and now find R5 Apex. It should say application. Once you find it, click on it and click on add. Once you add it, click on options, click on high performance, and now just click on save. And you can now close the graphics settings. Okay, and now the last step, or the fifth step, is to right click on Apex Legends on your desktop. So right click on the logo, click on properties, click on open file location, right click on R5 Apex, go to the properties, go to the compatibility tab, and now make sure that you check disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. So you want them both checked. You can click on apply now, and if Apex Legends doesn't work after this, make sure to check the run this program in compatibility mode 4. So if Apex Legends doesn't work, you can check this as well. Once you check it, just click on apply again, click on OK, and close the Apex Legends folder. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped. Bye.